Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm going to teach you guys a really simple 5-minute scalping strategy to use if you are new to crypto and you're new to this day trading thing. So this is a really easy to use strategy and it's not that hard, and it has a 66% average win rate, so yeah, good profits. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description and you just want to go to bybit.com through that link, make a free account, enter and put some crypto into your account. Put the amount of money that you can afford to lose in the account, because remember, this is risky and you can lose everything. So if you have $1,000 to play with, put $1,000. If you have $20, put $20 in. If you have $100, $100 in. Whatever you can lose, put that in, because this is risky and you can lose everything. So now what you want to do is you want to go to the derivatives and you want to go to USD perpetual and you want to go to BTC as USDT. Now you're going to come to this page right here. Now what you want to do is the indicators that we're going to use is only the EMA, 3 EMAs. This is a really simple strategy. It is really easy to use. Go to indicators right here. Search EMA. Now the moving average exponential. Press on that 3 times. 1. Now search it again. EMA. Press it and search it again. EMA and press it. Now you're going to have 3 EMAs, okay? What you want to do is it's going to be at the top left right here. You want to press on the settings icon. What you want to go, and then you're going to go to inputs and you want to make the length 200. Go to style and make it blue. Make the opacity 100% and make it the thickest line. Then you're going to press OK. Go to the second one. Go to the inputs. Make that one 50. Go to the style and make this yellow. Make the line this one right here and press OK. Then go to the third one, press settings, go to inputs, make this one 20, go to the style, press on that, make it red and make it the thinnest line there is, make the opacity 100 and just press OK. Then you're gonna see this on your page right now, and this may be looking a little bit complicated for you if you need crypto, but this is basically just the exponential moving average, and it's just a line that smoothens out the chart. So yeah, it's not that complicated. I know it might look a little bit complicated, but it's really easy to use, and the strategy is extremely easy. So basically, the strategy, you enter a long position when the red line is above the yellow line and the yellow line is above the 200 line. Okay, so that's your long position entry. If you want to enter a short position where you bet on the price for going down, if you don't know that by the way, then you want to look for the exact opposite. You want to look for the red line below the yellow line below the 200 line. For example, when you saw this right here, this would have been an entry right here. Okay, now we'll just go and look at some entries. So let's first of all look at the long positions. And I'm going to teach you guys the percentage for the take profit and the percentage for the stop loss. So for this strategy, I do recommend a 1 to 50. That means 1% take profit, 50% stop loss. This just, in my opinion, works the most and wins the most trades. So what you want to do is you want to press on this icon right here and you want to put it at your entry point. For example, we would have entered right here, okay? Look at this, the red line above the yellow line above the 200 line. So we would have entered right there. Okay, now you want to take this green and you want to put it on 1%, because that's what we're going to trade with. We're going to put our take profit at 1% right there. And now you're going to put your stop loss at 0.5% right there. Now this is how it's going to look. So if your price action goes to your take profit, and then it's going to take the trade and you're going to make money. If it goes below this stop loss right there, this red, then you're gonna lose money and it's gonna put on your stop loss and you're gonna exit the trade automatically. So this would have been a winning trade, because as you can see, we went above the take profit before we went below the stop loss. So this was a winning trade. Now let's look for another trade. So this would have been a short trade right here. So for this we take short position and we put it right there where we would have entered the short, which would have been right there. Because as you can see, if we zoom in, the red line below the yellow line and the yellow line is below the blue line. As you can see, that means short position. Then you put your entry would have been right there. take profit at 1%, remember, and your stop loss at 0.5%. This chart's looking so weird. I don't know what's going on this way. So this would have been a winning trade easily, as you can see, because we got our take profit before we hit the stop loss. So yeah, this would have been an easy win trade. Now let's look for another entry. But yeah, this would have been an entry for us, because the red line is above the yellow line is above the blue line. So we would have entered right here, right there, when the red line was above the yellow and the yellow was above the blue line, so that would have been right there. Enter there, put our stop loss at 0.5%, put our take profit at 1%, and this would have been a winning trade, easy. Now let's go to another one, another long position. As you can see, right here would have been an entry for us, so we would have entered right there when it crossed, right there, take profit at 1%, and stop loss at 0.5%, and this would have been a winning trade. Now let's look for another one right here, another entry for us. As you can see, it crossed, entry right there, and take profit at 1%, and stop loss at 0.5. So another easy win for us. Now let's look at this short position right here. You would have entered right there, and this would also have been a winning trade. Just a winning trade. Now another thing I want to mention for this strategy is you need to stick to the strategy. You want to put your take profit and your stop loss on. Yeah, like you just put it on, and then you want to leave your computer. You don't want to trade with emotion. Stay with your strategy. For example, if we came over here and you took this short position and you saw it was going up, you were like, oh no, I'm going to lose money. You sold, and you were actually going to hit your stop loss, and you would have made money, but now you lost money because you were too scared to hold your position. So that's something that a lot of people struggle with at the beginning. I struggle with it too. Just stick to your strategy and you probably won't lose that much money. But yeah, so it's a easy strategy, and just follow the strategy. Don't trade with emotion, and you will get profitable at the end. So yeah, good luck guys, and I hope you guys make some gains.